Ncl Abs Doors. These doors are manufactured in technical collaboration with KOS in South Korea. Doors are made from ABS molded and laminated sheets, available in many beautiful and colorful designs. All the door shutters have the same design and pattern on both sides. Door frames are made of reinforced foam PVC extrusions. These doors are waterproof, termite resistant, crack resistant, eco-friendly and no seasonal warpage. Useful for internal doors for all residential buildings, hotels, restaurants, offices, hospitals and institutions. High quality hardware and locking systems are provided. Today, Ncl is able to cater all India market, supported by fabrication units, branch offices, backed by the most efficient customer service divisions. Our major customers include